Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how to create a group chat in Facebook Messenger application. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also make sure to put your likes under this video and write comments. Well, dear friends, let's get started with you and me. Actually creating a group chat is very simple. To do this, please open up the Facebook Messenger application. And now on the top right-hand side, click on this sign right here so that you can start messaging someone. Next, select Create a New Group. And then you'll need to add some people to that group. You can simply mark them by going through the list. Or, friends, you can optionally find such people by clicking on Search and just searching for their name. If you accidentally add someone, then click on the cross above the person's name. Now name your group something, and then click Create. This will create a new group in Messenger. This is the way you can quickly and easily, dear friends, create a group chat in Facebook Messenger. I really hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and also write comments. See you, friends.